upon heathlands and lay upon Tay. Bonny George Campbell rode out on a day. He saddled, he bridled, and gallant rade he. And came his gate horse, but never came he. Would come his mither dear, greeting fu sair, and out come his bonny bride, riving her hair. My meadow is green, and my corn is unshorn. My barn is to build, and my baby's unborn. High upon heathlands and lay upon Tay, bonny George Campbell rade out on a day. This really is rather an ancient song. The Campbell in question is thought to be one of either two chaps, Campbell of Glenlivet, who was killed in 1594, or perhaps Campbell of Cawdor, who was murdered in battle in 1591. I learned this song as a teenager when competitors used to sing it for the Goldling Medal final in Dundee. I thought at the time that it was a strangely beautiful song. What I didn't know at the time is just how old it was, and I think that's why it's got that rather unworldly quality.